So say you got yourself a little tiny shop vac like that with a tiny little 1 1/4 or so hose, and you're trying to fit into your nice table saw like so. Mine isn't hooked up right now, but you just need a little adapter, and you pick it up at, I'll pick this one up, I believe, at Home Depot or Lowe's, one of the two. And yeah, that's all you need is a little connector, drain wrap, 2.5 inch to 1 1/4, and then you'll be sucking that sawdust out with your little tiny shop vac, and you don't need to buy any other crazy adapters or anything like that. So hope that helps people out.